How you doing? My name is Tom with Kizen Enterprise. I'm here to introduce our new marine grade plastic version that can take moisture and the heat extremely well. It has thermal inserts of the quarter 20s. We have another top insert in here that's still, it's not a plastic thread, it's a aluminum thread to move our tees. Everything on the version, on this plastic version to aluminum version, all parts are interchangeable. The tees are the same, the screws are the same. The extreme angle will work on this great. The jig insert will work on here also. The only thing is it's designed for saws that have sliding fences. There's no T-slot across the back, like on our aluminum version, that can allow you to put this fence anywhere on the saw. But with this this version here, you're relying on the factory fence holes to mount this on, or you can drill your own holes and use it where you want to hold it down on. But we've machined the front so it can still grab stuff. It's not as slippery as the standard side of this marine grade. It's perfect for guys that aren't using their saw every day, or guys that have to move this saw around every day. I mean, you're talking, this is probably a 10-pound difference between the two. But reach out to us, let us know in the comments, or check out our website at kizenenterprise.com. Thanks for watching.